The TorNet Backdoor represents a masterclass in stealth and evasion, targeting users in Poland and Germany through sophisticated methods. This advanced malware operates under the radar using phishing emails, obfuscated loaders, and the Tor network. TorNet is a .NET-based malware ensuring long-term access without detection by abusing Windows-scheduled tasks and leveraging Tor. It creates hidden tasks that run malware every 2 to 4 minutes while routing communications through the anonymous Tor network. The malware is obfuscated, making it hard to analyze. It uses Ezeriz's .NET reactor and protects payloads with triple DS encryption. Examples of attack flow include phishing emails that trick victims and PureCryptor, which decrypts payloads to execute TorNet. TorNet ensures persistence through scheduled tasks and connects to C2 servers for updates, all while remaining anonymous. It has advantages like anonymity and memory-only execution, but is also resource-intensive and dependent on Tor. Potential disadvantages include resource drain and detectable registry footprints that can reveal its presence. My advanced solution offers real-time detection of TorNet, integrating scheduled task monitoring and AI-based anomaly detection. It includes registry analysis and monitoring for Tor traffic to isolate threats and provide real-time alerts. This solution is proactive, comprehensive, and tailored for SOC teams, ensuring adaptability to evolving threats.
This video is just the beginning. I've developed advanced scripts and a detailed step-by-step guide to implement this strategy effectively. Download the scripts and read the full implementation guide from our website to equip your organization with cutting-edge defenses. Access the detailed technical article and advanced scripts from the link in the description below. Don't stop here. Subscribe to my channel for exclusive insights, live demos, and innovative solutions. Let's redefine cybersecurity together with advanced strategies to stay ahead of threats.